Hello kids, hope you all are safe at home. So welcome again to your grammar class. So in the previous video we have learnt about parts of speech. 4 parts of speech are already over and further 4 we'll learn today, that are adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So children, adverb. What is an adverb? Adverb is the part of speech that adds more information about a verb or an adjective. Adverbs answer these questions: how, when, where and why. Now we'll see the example. My dog eats slowly. So what is the adverb here? Slowly. How is the dog eating? Dog is eating slowly. Second example, when he is very hungry, he eats quickly. When he is very hungry, he eats quickly. So in this, adverb is quickly. Quickly. How he eats? When he is hungry, he eats quickly. So the word quickly is an adverb. Okay children, now next. Preposition. Preposition is the part of speech that shows location, position, time or direction. Preposition is the part of speech that shows location, position, time or direction. Now see the example, you will come to know what are the words for preposition. We went to school on Monday. We went to school on Monday. To means to school, that shows the location, that where we are going, and on Monday it shows the time, that when we are going to the school. The train is passing through that tunnel. The train is passing through that tunnel. In this, through is the preposition because it shows us the direction where the train is moving. Okay children, now coming to the next. Conjunction. Conjunction is the part of speech that joins groups of words or sentences together. Conjunction is the part of speech that joins groups of words or sentences together. Example, I like cats and dogs. I like cats and dogs. Here we can't write I like cats, dogs. So we have to put and to join the sentence, to complete the sentence, and this and is conjunction. The sky is cloudy but it is not raining. The sky is cloudy but it is not raining. Here but is conjunction because it joined the sentence. Interjection. Interjection is the part of speech that shows emotion, surprise or feeling of the speaker. Interjection is the part of speech that shows emotion, surprise or feeling of the speaker. You know children, it is a short exclamation that expresses our emotions. Example, wow. When we are surprised to see anything, so we use wow and we use exclamation mark after that. Ouch. When we are in difficulty, we say ouch and we have to put exclamation mark with that. Okay children, so these are the emotions shown in the interjection. So children, for today only this much. You have to complete your homework which will be given with your video. Thank you. Have a nice day.